To complete a business return, you must first download and install the business package and business update located in the Updates menu. Once installed, select Business from the main menu of TaxSlayer Pro. For our tutorial, we'll complete an 1120S S Corporation return. Begin by entering the company's EIN, and then select Yes to create a new return. Similar to completing an individual return, enter the company name, the date incorporated, the street address, and zip code. After entering the zip code, the city and state will auto-populate. Click OK. At the Name and Address menu, you can make any corrections to the previously entered information, as well as enter the name of the company officer, his or her title, and contact phone number. Once this information has been entered, you may exit the Name and Address menu. You'll be prompted for your preparer code. Enter your code and press Enter. You'll now be at the Heading Information menu. If this is a fiscal year company, you would enter the beginning and ending dates in the fiscal year menu. Select the Other Information menu. In this menu, you will find the remainder of the Heading Information options. If you will be electronically filing the return, be sure to enter the company's date of S Corp election, as well as business code. These are electronic filing requirements for S Corporation returns. Exit to the Heading Information menu, and then exit to the main 1120S menu. Again, the 1120S program's input screens are very similar to the individual 1040 program's input. You'll notice that on the screen, the program follows the flow of the 1120S form. The income section is first. To enter the income received, you may select the Income menu or simply double-click on the underlined word Income on the 1120S form input area. Here, you can enter any income received by the company. Pressing the F10 key on your keyboard will allow supporting statements at various points throughout the program. Next, select the Deductions menu. When finished, enter any deductions related to the business. When finished, you may exit the Deductions menu. With an 1120S return, you will also want to create a K1 for each partner. Select Schedule K Distributive Share Items to set up the K1s. Choose Schedule K1 Input and select New to enter the first K1. You will be asked if the shareholder is an individual. For our example, we'll answer yes. Enter the personal information of the partner or shareholder, including Social Security number, first, middle initial, last name, street address, and zip code. Also enter the year-end percentage of ownership, beginning percentage of ownership, as well as the number of days the beginning percentage applied. Once all shareholders' information has been entered, select OK. The percentage of ownership will automatically prorate the income and deductions. If the K1 needs to be manually adjusted, select Distributive Share Items, and then select which menu option needs to be changed or verified. Exit the Distributive Share Items menu, and then exit the Schedule K1 Edit menu. If you have additional shareholders, click the New button on the Shareholders Input screen and repeat the previous process until all shareholders have been entered. Click Exit when finished, and exit the Schedule K menu. Depending on the receipts and assets at year's end, you may also need to access Schedule B, Other Information menu. Answer question number 13. If the receipts and assets are less than $250,000, answer this question yes. Read the statement on the screen carefully. To electronically file the return, select Mark Return Electronic. The corporate officer's PIN, signature date, and the ERO's PIN will automatically be entered. Review this information and click Exit. Be sure to print the IRS e-file signature authorization for your client to sign. Next, exit the 1120S menu. Check the Receipt menu for the correct fees, exit, and then mark the return as complete. For the business e-filing procedure, watch the video E-Filing a Business Return.